Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. This is a video on my Nopal Mission Cactus, cactus fruit, prickly pear, whatever you want to call it. I've had this plant for 3 years. It was just a pad down there, the big pad on... He's yelling at the bird on the neighbor's roof. There's this little bird. You see that little bird right there?
Yeah, you got kids.
Right here on my knuckle. He's yelling at it saying, "Just be quiet and get out of my room." My son's saying, "Get out of my room." Get Dad at Daddy's garden. He's shooting the bird now with the water gun.
Get Dad to the garden. Let's get him away.
Good job, son. Okay. What was I talking about?